What's going on, everybody? Appreciate you joining me here. Got a new toy for the Coyote. If you've seen some of the previous videos I've been doing in the past few weeks, I've been doing a lot of cleanup down around the pond and cutting a lot of trees and brush, clearing, stuff like that. So I have developed a need for a stump grinder. I've probably got about 10 or 12 stumps at my son's house that need to be grinded. And I don't know, I've probably got 20 or 30 down here now at the pond that I want to take care of. So I went with the MechMaxx. After looking at several videos and reviews, a lot of good feedback. I think this is probably one of the most affordable ones out there for the small subcompact tractors. It is definitely heavy duty. I ordered it, I think it came in exactly a week from the date that I ordered it. Shipped well in a nice heavy metal frame. I'm not going to do a introduction to it. There's several videos out there that you can see where assembly videos and all that stuff. So I'm just going to get into some video of it grinding. I've ground one stump at my son's house, and this, I tell you, it's impressive. These stumps down here at the pond, I'm not going to try to get them much below the surface. I'm just mainly looking to knock them off level with the ground, because I do know there are some rocks around here. These are some I did last spring, I think it was, and of course these are some of that Chinese privet, and you see the holes drilled in there. Drilled holes in them and put some what's equivalent to Roundup in there to kill them. And got quite a few others over here, and this is the most recent stuff that we cleaned up. But all right, so much for that. Let's get busy and see if we can knock these things down. All right, I like it. Like I said, I'm just trying to get these down pretty much level with the ground, so I don't hit them as I'm, as this stuff grows here, and using the bush hog. All right, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.